Hello, every single one of you absolutely beautiful people. Welcome to this live where we are going to go through the markets. Let's see what has happened since last time. Has anything gone in the other direction? Are we absolutely totally doomed? What is actually going on in this market? Hope that you have a fantastic day, that you are well rested, has done fantastic trades, and right now it's just about to bring everything together. I hope that you are well in profit. Well, according to my Mr. What do you call it, Mr. Signals or theories of what we should have done. Well, that should be great. So what is going on today is currently there's lasagna in the freezer in the oven. Sorry, that takes 20 minutes. I need to talk very fast, very quickly. And my wife be calling me out whenever I am done, or should be done, or could be done, or whatever is done. So, time constraints is half an hour. Let's see if I can make that happen. If it doesn't happen, well, it doesn't happen. So yeah, good. Then, well, that kind of sets the cake, I guess. That sets the cake. I hope everyone has now been notified that we are live. Great, fantastic. Hello, Abbas. Hello, JJ. How are you guys? Are you guys alive? That is kind of what I'm wondering about right now. But cool. Audio input is great. You guys can hear me. So there we go. What else are we going to do today? Let's see. There we are. And we are supposed to put on that. Cool. So what should we do first? Are we going to go live? Oh, sorry, are we going to go dollar? Are we going to go yen? Are we going to go oil? Are we going to go gold? Where should we go, right? So we only have 6 viewers right now, so I wonder, is everyone? Where are everyone? Are you guys not awake? What happened? This is like the most important thing of the week. So, let's go through dollar. Dollar has now put up a fight. Fighters. Oh, Raj is finally back. Godfather, dollar, HI Innovations has evening Ivan. Yes, I am here. So I don't know, for those who were in the A1 trading live today, I didn't ask Dade. I probably should have asked Dade. But what happened in the comment section? Is only sending to your left speakers? How do I know? How do I do that? How do I fix that? Well, that's a problem. Is it only because I'm speaking this way, or this way, or this way? Audio capture microphone. Any difference? Whatsoever? Any difference? Okay, interesting. Still the same? That's very. I've never heard about that one before, Jojo. Yeah, sound problem. Okay, interesting. Should we do it again? Should I don't know. How can I also gonna do that though? Well, I can take away the sound capture thing and then see how it goes. Does that make any difference at all? Or what? So there's a problem for you. Okay, I tried to remove it and add it. Does that make a difference? Yeah, I haven't done anything to these settings though, bro. That's the thing. Is there any difference in the sound? Or is it still on the left side, right side, whatever? This is terrible, by the way. Now, is that different? Any difference? You hear you left. All good on James's. James can hear me. So, okay, sorry. We're just gonna call it a night and then say terrible sound. But same. Okay. Sorry. I can speak louder, maybe. Same here. Well, let me listen to myself then, I guess. But okay. So dollar has done a pullback today. I just wanted to look at that, and then we're going to look at oil, and then we're going to look at whatever else we're supposed to look at. But I asked you guys if you guys were, if anyone of you were in the live today with IBNF on A1 trading, and what happened in the comment section. That's kind of what I'm wondering about today, because there was kind of like, I don't know if it was hate or people like, or fighting each other, or if somebody was not nice. I just saw something about hate you. So, does anyone know? Okay. Cool. Yeah, I just need to load my phone. So, cool. So, what else? Oil was requested for, I know that. That's going to do fast. If you want to sell this thing, there is no lower lows at the moment. That microphone sounds weird. Cool. Yeah, explain Dunkirky, please. Okay, whatever, I guess. So if you want to sell this thing, you want this to come lower and then that. And then I will just take the one down, maybe. I don't know. Yeah, I know. So if you want to sell it, you need to have a lower low. So there's no lower low yet. So just wait for that one to happen. If you want to sell it. Aussie dollar has come down to buy zone on daily. If you wanted to buy that, congratulations. You have 73, by the way, sorry. We have 73 as a buy zone. Is that within the rules? Yeah, that's totally within the rules. That is support. That is coming down again. But we haven't really touched the buy zone for the week. So that is a worry for me. That is what I want to see. I haven't seen it, but maybe we'll see it. The guy earlier was pissed at me because he made a comment about wanting to know where Julie is. Okay, that is... okay. That is very interestingly thing to be annoyed about or angry about, but I guess okay. We still have the target on Aussie intact for the week. So that's the month. And then, yeah, cool. 74 still area. Cool, great, fantastic. Kicked off dailies, so it's pretty strong. I would actually expect it to be even stronger for me to be okay with it, but I guess it goes. Yeah, and I told him to stop asking for her because it was creepy. I agreed with Date, and he took it personal against me, and I tried to make it fight between me and him today. Oh, okay. Sorry. Sorry about that, bro. I didn't see that one coming. I didn't see that one. But it wasn't hate against me or you, I guess. You know, sometimes you just have to leave people alone and just say, well, whatever. You have problems. And as Gary Vee says it, if people hate you or in the comment section or whatever, it's just them projecting whatever they feel against you and has nothing to do with you as a person or as a creator or anything. So same thing with the euro. Hopefully we can come back down to 1763 so we can take it back up again. I don't know if I like it. It's kind of like a second chance. Currently at support, but is that enough to take profit on the week? It didn't hit it, so it can go up higher before falling again. That's kind of what I'm seeing at the moment. But yeah, we still have the bullish intact trend. It's a bit weak. It's not strong. It can of course continue, but I don't know if I like it that much. It's a bit weak. It's a bit, funky. So, can we look at gold chart? Yeah, we'll see. Yeah. No, I just don't have Date. Date is not in my chat. Date is not in my lives. So, I have to ask him tomorrow in next channel. I don't know if that's even something to do. But yeah, cool. Anyways. So, it's kind of weak. It's not really strong. It's not, it's waiting here. Maybe it can go higher again, but it's a bit... I think this is just a pullback to sell again, as it is at the moment, unless something changes and then it goes higher again. Congratulations. But so far, can you sell it now? No. I wouldn't sell it yet. No. No lower lows, just something in between. Something either here or here or here, depending. The monthly prices are coming in today, and that's M3-ish. So I would, if I was selling it, I would do that and then turn it lower. But you never know. It's NFP on Friday, so that's gonna be fun. My expectations for EURUSD for this week is actually M3, M2, give or take, R1, S1. It's a bit of a range, but of course it can just dump for whatever I mean. So whatever I mean now, whatever I start to say is, choose your battle, choose your prices, be okay with if you're wrong. Today is the last day of August. I thought we might see some moves today. Well, I don't know if moves is moves, but it's a bit of a move. But yeah. So I don't know if I like the euro dollar, pound dollar on the other side as well. Not really bullish. Just struggling around, making a low, going back up again. Sometimes something. So what can you really do here practically? Sorry, that was the wrong one. Practically, what can we do here is just expecting some kind of reversal, and then if it goes lower here, use that as a resistance, and then take it into 135. Euro target is 1620. Aussie target is 1750. I said that fast, I know. And I should have had a meeting with you, midship guys. I'm sorry about that. That just came to my mind. That's it. New Zealand, way different. Way more bullish. Way better price action. Way stronger price action. So this might be the last one to fall. Coming up to M3 on the month. Can we get it into the buy zone for the month? I don't know. It's not supposed to. Well, if it goes strongly up, which is pricing in a new rate hike, it doesn't come down to the buy zone until it has reached the target. So currently, this one is still just day trading. Farid, I have seen your message. Victor Nobre asks, which indicator is this? Well, I'm actually going to do something new today. I'm going to show you where to find it, okay? You can go to Ivan FX on YouTube, and you can search for pivot points. On this lovely video that I made, pivot points, introduction to pivot points, 534 people have now seen it. You go in there, and I have made a video on how to add it to TradingView, how to add it to MT4, and in the comment section here and in the description here, I have made links to where you can find it for both TradingView and MT4. You can also have my presets for MT4 and which colors I use for targets. Is that good? Boom. Abu, you're not late. You're always good. Okay. So Search for Introduction to Pivot Points, Ivan FX on YouTube, and you will find it, and you'll be fine. And maybe more than 50 people will like it by tomorrow. Who knows? Do you watch the Day Trading Addict on YouTube? No, I don't think I have, actually. To be honest, I don't think I have. Will this indicator help in trading gold? Well, that depends. I would say yes. Let's go through gold, since you're asking about gold. So let's go through my indicator and how I use it on gold. This is the sell zone. This is the sell zone. This is the target. This is the target. Well, that happened. This is the sell zone. This is the target. Well, that happened. This is the sell zone. This is the target. That happened. This is the sell zone. This is the target. That didn't happen. This is the sell zone. Well, it went lower. This is the sell zone. It went lower. Reversely, it's been mostly bearish lately, though, but bullishly, I know there was something here. There's a buy zone. It went to target. It's a buy zone. Went to target. Went to buy zone. Didn't go to target. And this month is just messed up. So currently it is at monthly R3. No, I'm monthly sell zone. You want it to come down and then up. And target, well, that's a buyer, by the way. Coming down to 1760, it's a buyer, and then around current sell zone, going down to probably like 1600 something. 1673. So right now you're looking for any reversals. Sell, 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 sell. Target. Done. Boom, boom, boom. What will do yen pairs? Yes. Is it easy? No. It's difficult to learn this indicator. Is it worth it? Absolutely. By the way. It will show you entries, targets, and stop losses. And I'm going to make the video tomorrow. I will hopefully post it tomorrow about how you can read it. And I'm trying to make it as good as I can. So it takes some time to do it again and again and again and again. Hi, Ivan. I'm supporting you in this channel from the beginning. I'll always loved your way of simplicity of trading, and the most important thing is that you have. The thing is that my and your analysis are always the same. Thank you very much. You're welcome. So. I'm not saying it's the holy grail, but I'm just saying it's another filter that you can, because I don't think because right now this is the target for September as a seller, okay? You don't know that without any other indicator as far as I can remember in my brain. There might be, sorry if there is, but as my brain tells me, it might not be. Yeah, sure. So yeah, how to trade gold at the moment. Trading gold is that it went down to target. Buyers started coming in. You also want to create higher highs and higher lows and continue buying as it goes higher. It hasn't done that yet. So you just, adding at support. And today I think I said... I tried not to say that, but that's basically where I wanted to buy if I was a buyer, and now it went higher. So that is something small profit on gold. If you remember that from A1 Trading Live today. I tried not to be like, oh, you should sell it, or you should buy it, sorry. But that was a hint, hint, nudge, nudge. Chief Arctic, you are late. But yeah, so... that's cool. Cool. So, yen pairs. First of all, we need to go into day trading, bullish, 1 day. Good. And then we go into showing it. Cool, that would be even better. Okay, not today then. So, what is the question you might ask? How are you buying it? How are you trading this? Okay, buy, buy, buy. Okay, cool. Buy. And didn't do anything, buy. That's how we trade Aussie yen at the moment. Continued to buy, continued to buy. And the buy price for tomorrow was around 18.20. 80.20, sorry. That's already passed. Maybe it comes back down tomorrow, but who knows. So this one has to be in before New York closes, before it goes up at the middle of the night. That's actually London, but normally it can take off at 2 a.m. by the way. So just be worried about that. Just make sure that you're in by then. What's the new one? I don't know if I want a new higher high and then pull back before going up, but around 80.50 tomorrow if it goes higher and then coming back. Okay. Canadian. Not really the same. Range bound. So nah, not yet. I have set a buy price at 86.74. Hasn't come down there yet, but I would rather have a higher high at the moment than going down there. So we shall see. Hasn't happened yet, but something like that. So cool, waiting. Euro-yen, yeah, goes higher, struggling. Daily buy zone, daily buy zone, daily buy zone, daily buy zone, daily buy zone. Well, seems to be their clue. Daily buy zone. How are you doing? Cool. Man, yeah, I have a friend though that is my man-in-law. Well, not man-in-law, my best man for my wedding. We don't talk too much, but whenever we talk, it's like we've never been away from each other. So don't worry, I'll not forget you. I hope you're not forgetting me. But yeah, so because it has been a lot of fun talking to you, and I hope you don't. Yeah, you called me the other day. I'm sorry for not picking up your phone, but it is what it is. So Euro yens. How do you trade this? Well, pivot points every day. Cool, great. Pound yen. Not the same conviction. Hasn't had a higher yet, so I don't like that. I will just wait for it to come higher. So yeah. New Zealand yen. Wow, look at that. Down to the price I said, 1765, and it went down to 1767.15 almost, sorry. And buy, and then woohoo, buy, woohoo. How far away how far away are we from the weekly target? Are you in this, Jojo? I think you said you were in it, or in New Zealand. Up to 72.20. Or 13, sorry. Yeah, pretty good. So, euro yen, euro dollar. Euro dollar. Pound, sorry. Euro pound. Well, it's bullish at the moment, apparently. That was the buy price. That's almost a target, where it's very range bound, so I wouldn't. But it's kicked off the buy prices, if that matters anything. But yeah, I'm just taking away that one. I don't like that. Oh, Gary will post a new video. Why is storytelling important? Okay, I'll try that. So continuation higher. That's all. Can you suggest a Nasdaq? I need to check that I am not in. Food is ready in 5. Ready now. Nasdaq. I will only look for buys, and as we can see here, we have not reached the buys. We have not reached the buys for 15.32 or 15.20. So just waiting for those. Don't sell it, only buy it. That's all. If you try to sell it, well, have a good day. At the moment in these market conditions, it might be worth selling if it falls down one day, but currently it doesn't. So look for buy zones. Look for buy zones every day, every week, every month, mostly. So I have mentioned some prices to you. So yeah, cool. Alibaba might be if you have already done all the research on Alibaba and you're thinking, well, this is going to go higher. Sure, it might be turning around now. I don't know the seasonality of Alibaba, if there is any seasonality of Alibaba. Also, the cracking down from the Chinese government might not be the best thing in the world. But you know, might be a good, might be have some good, you know, rest of the year as people are buying into Christmas. But yeah, I don't see any seasonality around the year, end of the year. Cool. Thank you very much, very humble person. You're very much welcome. Babu, you are late. You have to go back through this video and then do something about that. The motorbikes in this place is absolutely high. But okay, cool. So somebody's saying that we can face bearish pressure. Okay, interesting. Well, that's a good entry if it happens. But yeah. So great. What is my goal? My goal is to buy Aussie, buy yen pairs every day. Buying dollar pairs, maybe. It's struggling. It's not really great. It's not really great, but it fell today. But I don't know if I like that one. That pullback there. It can't. Of course, it can't happen. That can be okay. But I feel like we are a bit early to S1 and then we're going up to R1. I'm not saying we are going to do that, but I feel like we had a pretty hard rejection of 9240. Just saying. Hello, Denise. You're late. Sorry, you have to go back in this video because right now I'm going to eat food. Yes, it was just half an hour today. I'm sorry. I don't know. I don't know if people are interested in me being live at London Open or something like that. I don't know if I will try that. Maybe. Who knows? Because you guys, I have trained you to be there live at around now, and most of you are Americans. Like at least the top nation is America. America is not open for London Open, so yeah, that would be a bad idea for me. But that's kind of the next time I can go live with you guys and explain what happens and what I want to do to see. But maybe. So thank you guys for joining in. 16 likes is absolutely fantastic, and I have got some answers. Hardik is going to call me tomorrow. That's great. So until next time, hope you're doing fantastic. I'm going to sell yens as much as I can. Sell yen and buy yen pairs as much as I can. So yeah, boom. Have a good day.